In this video you will learn how to connect the espon printer to laptop. Place your printer and turn it on, plug in your espon printer and place it near your laptop, then press the power button. Connect via USB or Wi-Fi. Decide whether you want to connect with Bluetooth or a USB cable or wirelessly through your Wi-Fi. 4. For USB connection, plug the USB cable into the printer, then into your laptop. Windows or Mac should automatically detect and install the drivers. For Wi-Fi connection, on the printer go to Settings, Wi-Fi Setup, then select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Add a printer on laptop. On your laptop go to Settings, Devices, Printer and Scanner, add new printer. Or, if you're not on Windows and you're on Mac, go to System Preferences, Printer and Scanner, then select the espon printer. Test the printer. Print test page to confirm your printer is properly connected to your laptop. Now you know how to connect the espon printer to your laptop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.